Namaste and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a vibrant journey across the diverse and colorful landscape of India, exploring its 28 states and 8 union territories. From the majestic Himalayas to the serene coasts, let's dive into the rich history and culture of each region. Get ready for an adventure through the heart of India. The 28 states and their capital. India is home to 28 states, each brimming with culture, tradition, and regional pride. Let's explore them, one capital at a time. Andhra Pradesh capital, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh capital, Itanagar. Assam capital, Dispur. Bihar capital, Patna. Chhattisgarh capital, Raipur. Goa capital, Panji. Gujarat capital, Gandhinagar. Haryana capital, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh capital, Shimla. Jharkhand capital, Ranchi. Karnataka capital, Bengaluru. Kerala capital, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh capital, Bhopal. Maharashtra capital, Mumbai. Manipur capital, Imphal. Meghalaya capital, Shillong. Mizoram capital, Aswal. Nagaland capital, Kohima. Odisha capital, Bhubaneswar. Punjab capital, Chandigarh. Rajasthan capital, Jaipur. Sikkim capital, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu capital, Chennai. Telangana capital, Hyderabad. Tripura capital, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh capital, Lucknow. Uttarakhand capital, Dehradun. West Bengal capital, Kolkata. Each state offers something unique, be it landscapes, languages, festivals, or food. From Kolkata's colonial charm to Bengaluru's digital dynamism, India is a spectrum of stories waiting to be told. The Union Territories and their capitals. India has 8 Union Territories, administered directly by the central government, but just as rich in heritage and identity. Andaman and Nicobar Islands capital, Port Blair. Chandigarh capital, Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu capital, Daman. Delhi, National Capital Territory, capital, New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir capitals, Srinagar, summer, Jammu, winter. Ladakh capital, Leh. Lakshadweep capital, Kavratti. Puducherry capital, Pondicherry. A glimpse into their histories. Each union territory has a tale behind its name. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands were once a British penal colony and played a key role during World War II. Chandigarh was India's first planned city post-independence, designed by Le Corbusier. Dadra, Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu were Portuguese enclaves until their liberation in 1961 and unification in 2020. Delhi has been a seat of power since ancient times, from the Delhi Sultanate to the Mughals, and now as India's bustling capital. Jammu and Kashmir joined India in 1947 and was reorganized into a UT in 2019. Ladakh, rich in Tibetan influence, became its own UT in 2019 for better cultural and geographical representation. Lakshadweep is India's smallest UT, famous for its coral reefs and blend of Kerala and Arab traditions. Puducherry preserves its French legacy with charming architecture, cuisine, and a unique legal system, merging with India in 1962. Whether you're mesmerized by Rajasthan's deserts or drawn to Kerala's backwaters, India has a heartbeat in every corner. Thanks for joining us on this incredible tour. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cultural journeys. Until next time, stay curious.